Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 12 o'clock. Prime Minister Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron issued a joint statement upon meeting in France's Chantilly. Macron said PM Modi intimated him about the situation in Kashmir and that no third party should intervene in the matter. Macron also said that France wanted India to be a part of the G7 summit because there are matters on which one cannot move ahead without India. The two leaders shook hands and hugged after the joint statement. P. Chidambaram has been sent to CBI custody till August the 26th by the CBI court. Today, a Supreme Court bench of Justice R. Bhanumati and Justice A.S. Bopanna will hear the pleas of the former Union Finance Minister filed against the Delhi High Court's order rejecting his anticipatory bail plea in cases of CBI and ED. Niti Aayog Chief Rajiv Kumar has called for unprecedented steps in the financial sector where he says such a liquidity situation has not arisen in the last 70 years. Ringing the alarm bells, Kumar said that the entire financial sector is currently in churn and nobody is trusting anybody else. Intelligence sources have indicated that Pakistan is trying to push 100 Afghan militants into India, spurred by India's decision to abrogate Article 370. Top sources in the security establishment report that 15 such militants were identified at a launch pad in POK's Lipa Valley 3 days ago. They are reportedly ready to cross over into Kashmir and from there target other major Indian cities as well. A report has come to light of students at a school in UP's Mirzapur being served roti with salt for their midday meal. Schools are supposed to provide children with nutritious food via the midday meal scheme, but this appears to be another case of administrative lapse. The district magistrate said that this was a negligence at the teachers and the supervisors level. And the first moon image captured by Chandrayaan-2 has been beamed back to Earth. The image was taken at a height of about 2,650 kilometers from the lunar surface on August 21st. The Mare Oriental Basin and Apollo craters are identified in the picture. Chandrayaan-2 will make a lunar landing in September. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.